But the guy said, I paid for the design on the box, but I built it all myself.
Okay. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Okay. Nice blow through. So did you make this seal or was it already there?
I did all that.
It is? Nice. Okay, so it's a...
about 3 months worth, like 2 summers ago.
Wow. JO Audio.
I still got more work to do to it. I'm going to flush out that whole back wall and everything.
Yeah. This is the JLW3s?
Yes.
Okay.
I've got LEDs in there that change colors.
This is a SCAR 2K?
Yep.
Are you wired to a 1 ohm?
Yep.
Okay. On a SCAR 80.4. Kinetic 2400. Nice. That looks good. I like that.
I got to upgrade my alternator. It's still stock.
Stock? Does your voltage drop a lot after a while, or?
It stays around 13.
Okay.
13 to 14. It actually does pretty good.
Can I get demo?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Oh, big 6x9s or 6x8.
Yeah, I want to do door panels, but I ain't done it yet.
It works. Hey, it's music. Do you know the specs of your box?
It's a what do you call it? 3 to 1.
Okay.
4th order.
Mm-hmm.
It's tuned at 52 hertz, which is kind of high.
Yeah.
But the guy said I paid for the design on the box, but I built it all myself.
Okay.
I gotta wait for this thing.
It's tuned for. Do you like that tuning?
I mean, yeah, it does good in here. My resonant frequency in here is 49 hertz. I did
so that's good.
150 dB at the one show I did.
Really?
In the kick.
Yep. Okay.
And then we did a 149 on the dash.
Okay.
On the window
Yeah,
sealed.
that's pretty good. Yeah.
I thought so with this airspace and what
I was gonna
got.
say, I was just thinking about the airspace with your power. Yep. Nice. All right.
Opposition. You niggas probably cop a plea before you cop a pistol. I got nothing against them. They got fucking potential. But every nigga who can read gotta get.
A lot of people don't like YouTube music, but it's what I use.
It works. It works. Tell it's really punchy, so that 48 to 52 hertz range, it likes it really well, which is depending on what type of music you like. I don't know if you like the lows, but you lose the low end.
It should play down to a good solid 26
28. Yeah.
But I don't play that low a lot.
Yeah. Okay.
It loves 35 to 40
hertz
songs.
Okay. Yep.
Is what I've found it to be is what's pleasing to me.
Yeah.
With both windows
With
down.
both windows down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The way it resonates in here, it's a lot better with the windows down.
Okay. Awesome.
When the windows are up, it still sounds good, but it ain't as good.
Yes, sir.
You know.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me, man.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Definitely like it. Appreciate it, man.
Thanks, sir. Thank
Good
you,
work.
Jacob.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Yep. Yeah, sorry about the virus stuff.
No,
Yeah.
no, you good. No,
wishes to my opposition. You niggas probably cop a plea before you cop a pistol. I got nothing against them. They got fucking potential. But every nigga who can read gotta get. Wishes to my opposition. You niggas probably cop a plea before you cop a pistol. I got nothing against them. They got fucking potential. But every nigga who can read gotta get. What's up?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.